And what was your first impression of Australia?
We docked in Fremantle. It was night time. The idea of Australia that it is a backward country, still primitive country, and so on. And we docked at night in Fremantle, and we saw the bright lights of the city. And we wondered, wow, it's amazing, you know. Some were expecting kangaroos in the streets and so on. No, it was beautiful. Yeah. We stayed, I think, the boat stayed for 2 days in Fremantle. Then we went on to Adelaide. Also stayed overnight or 2 days. And finally disembarked in Melbourne, Port Melbourne.